Hey geeks, so something pretty amazing has happened here recently, and well, I want to thank all of you out there because two of my other YouTube channels has finally reached 1,000 subscribers, and all of it happened within the same week, which is pretty crazy to me. So if you've been following me here at Geek Outdoors for a little over 10 years now, you know that I upload a variety of different content, and back then I used to do a lot of gaming and movie videos. But about 6 years ago, I decided to go ahead and break those off into their own channels. And over the years, I would just kind of randomly upload to those channels, so they didn't really grow much at all. But back in 2023, I decided to take things more seriously and consistently upload to both of those channels. And now we're here at 1,000 subscribers. And so for all of you who have been here at Geek Outdoors and followed me there, I want to first say thank you so much. I'm always grateful for you for sticking around and being here and supporting my channel. And for all of you who are new, well, if you like the content here, then I think you like the other content I have for my movie and gaming channels. And so that's it today. I just want to give a huge thank you for all of you out there. And if you did want to see my gaming and movie channel, I will leave links in the description area below. And well, we'll see you on another episode.